Welcome! In front of me I have Zenfone 7 Pro and POCO X3 Pro, and today we are going to make the speed test. We are going to check which one is faster when you are opening apps. So we get a couple of the social apps and a couple of the games, and we are going to check what is going on here. So at the first, let's make the boot setup. Let's check which one is going to be first when we turn them on. On the Zenfone 7 Pro we got Snapdragon 865 Plus, and on the POCO X3 Pro we got Snapdragon 860. As you can see, the Zenfone is faster. Right now let's unlock both smartphones and let's go for the test. Okay, so right now when you take a look here, we are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, and on the both smartphones I set up the maximum refresh rate. So there we got 90 Hz on the Zenfone, and in the POCO we got 120 Hz. There it is. So let's start and let's check what is going on. So we are going to start from Google Chrome. Faster on Zenfone. Let's go for the YouTube. I think the same speed. Let's take the Gmail. A little bit faster on Zenfone 7 Pro. Now let's go for the Google Maps. Let's turn on location. Yeah, definitely Zenfone was faster. Let's check what is going on Netflix. POCO faster. Right now let's log into account. Oh, I just misclicked. Let's try to make it another time with Netflix, because I just misclicked. Let's go. So at the first, the faster was POCO. Right now faster is Zenfone, and they're the same speed. Instagram, Zenfone is faster. TikTok, yeah, Zenfone faster another time. Let's see what is going on when you open the games like Minecraft. Okay, so the Zenfone was first, but here we have to continue with singing. Here it's already singing. Let's try to get the Wild Rift. Zenfone slightly faster, but let's see what is going on next. Oh, right now which one? Oh yeah, nice. So POCO here faster a little bit from Zenfone. Nice, very nice. Let's go for Call of Duty. POCO faster another time. So as you can see, when we try to open the games, POCO is faster a little bit. Let's check what's going on when we open this apps another time. Okay, I think slightly faster Zenfone. Another time Zenfone. And Gmail. What about Google Maps? Another time faster Netflix. Yeah, faster Zenfone. On the Instagram is also faster. Let's go for the TikTok. Yeah. Let's check what is going on in the games. So right now faster was POCO, because there's some kind of the reload. And let's check the wire drift another time. POCO faster. And the Call of Duty POCO phone was faster. So as you can see, there's a very interesting thing. The Zenfone 7 Pro open faster apps like Google Chrome, YouTube, Gmail apps, the social apps, but the POCO perform a little bit better in the games. So this phone is really cheap. It's around 200 or 300 bucks. And then Zenfone cost around 800 or something like that. And definitely I'm surprised about the POCO. It's really good smartphone in that price range, and in some cases it even outperform the much expensive smartphone. So yeah, if you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.